In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a photo in a Canva template. First, open your web browser and search for Canva. Head to the official site and make sure you're signed in to your account. Any plan works for this, and logging in ensures you can access your designs and uploads without interruption. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look for the Create button. This is where you start a new design. You can choose a design type like a poster or social media post, or you can browse the template library. Select a template that matches your project. Pay attention to size and style so it fits your needs from the start. When you click a template, it will open in the Canva editor. In the editor, go to the left-hand panel and click the Uploads tab. This is your hub for bringing in your own images. Click Upload Files, then choose the photo from your computer that you want to use. Canva supports common formats like JPG and PNG. After you select your file, you'll see it appear in the Uploads panel with a progress indicator. Wait until the upload finishes completely before moving on. If the image is large, give it a moment to process. When your photo shows up in the panel, you're ready to swap it into the template. Click and drag the photo from the Uploads panel directly onto the image in the template that you want to replace. Hover over that image until you see a highlight or it subtly snaps into place. Release your mouse and Canva will replace the existing picture inside the template's frame. If the new photo isn't perfectly centered, you can fine-tune it. After it's placed, double-click the image to reposition it within the frame, and use the crop handles if needed to adjust what's visible. You can also use the toolbar to quickly choose Fit or Fill, depending on whether you want the entire photo visible or a full bleed look without borders. Small adjustments like this help your design feel polished and intentional. That's all there is to it. You searched for Canva, logged in, created a design by choosing a template, opened the Uploads tab, uploaded your image, and then dragged it onto the placeholder to replace the original. Take a quick look over your layout after the swap to make sure everything aligns with your vision. With these simple steps, you can update any Canva template with your own photos in just a few clicks.